What's up everyone? Today we're going to talk a little bit about the turbos on a Nissan Skyline GTR. Now most car enthusiasts out there love a bit of turbo power, but on the R32 GTR, and many other Skylines for that matter, the turbos can be a weak part, and we're going to explain why. These are what the stock turbos look like on an R32 GTR. Now a big reason why these are a weak part is that the wheel is actually ceramic. These are much more fragile than steel wheels, and many a time will break on an R32 GTR. We have seen it countless times. Of course, the downside being that turbos generally aren't cheap to replace, and the labor is pretty brutal on it. The stock boost levels for the R32 GTR are about 0.7 bar, or about 10 psi. Pushing it almost any amount over, and we mean almost any amount over 1-2 psi, can eventually destroy these turbos. Now that isn't to say that people haven't done it before in the past, and it can't be done and these turbos cannot take it, but we would almost assure you that at some point they're going to break. In short, stock R32 GTR turbos are crap. Nissan addressed this with various special editions or future models of the Skyline, but unfortunately they were never really fully rectified. A lot of times if people are looking to boost these cars, we strongly recommend replacing the turbos altogether with some sort of a stronger unit, or even doing a single turbo conversion. It's rare to hear somebody talk negatively on a Skyline GTR, but it's always good to know what kind of flaws a car might have so you can be prepared when you're ready to purchase. We plan to provide more videos like this in the future, and if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video, and have a good one.